just to give an obvious experience for your condition. Pag 46 soles. ¿Cuántos dólares eso? En el dólares, ¿cuánto? No entiendo eso. As President de Lorena, you must be able to speak 5 languages. as, as President, I need to speak more. I need to learn more. Just teach me how to speak the German. I think German is very hard to learn. Just like Danish. Danish also is very hard. It's not easy for me, Danish. In Danish, wait, how to, $15. $15. Es mucho. Es mucho dinero, Marden. 5 languages. See, or more. I want to learn the German. I want to learn German. I learn a little bit of Danish. I want to learn German, Danish, and then Hapon. I speak a little bit of Japan. A little bit. I studied Japanese, but I forgot already. I studied only 1 month, but I didn't learn, never. Bueno, me voy a mimir. Voy a mimir. Espera, me voy a coger mi... Bueno, I want to say goodbye, everyone. I want to do something. I say goodbye, Angelica. I am not president and I do not want to be president. 2 languages are enough. Well, 2 languages is enough. Some people is only 1, just like my friend, only 1 can speak only Spanish. Ito Marden, ¿sabes habla English, Marden? ¿Cuántos idiomas sabes? Marden, ¿cuántos idiomas tú hablas? ¿Te hablas? Marden. Bye-bye. I'm not... Bye-bye, Angelica. I have to sleep. Sleep well. Good night, Lorena. See you tomorrow. Good night, my friend. See you tomorrow. Sleep well and sweet dream. Bye, guys. Love you all. Good night.